Math game design is an excellent activity to engage students in a fun and interactive way while reinforcing their math skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help students design and create their own math game. Step 1. Choose a math concept. Start by selecting a specific math concept that the game will focus on. Students to choose concepts like fractions, decimals, geometry, or algebraic equations based on their interests and the level of challenge they desire. Step 2. Define the game objectives. Students to think about the main objectives of their game. What skills or knowledge do players need to demonstrate or acquire to win the game? Clearly define these objectives so that players understand the purpose and rules of the game. Step 3. Decide on game components. Students can choose from various game components such as cards, dice, or a game board. Each component can represent different elements of the math concept chosen. For example, if the game focuses on fractions, students can use cards with fraction expressions or a game board with fraction segments. Step 4. Create game rules. Develop a set of rules that govern how the game is played. These rules should incorporate the math concept chosen and provide structure to the game. Make sure the rules are clear, logical, and fair for all players. Students can brainstorm ideas and refine the rules through discussion and feedback. Step 5. Design game mechanics. Determine how players interact with the game components and each other. This includes defining the actions players can take on their turn, the consequences of different moves, and how players progress toward the game objectives. Step 6. Test and refine. Once students have designed the initial version of their game, it's time to test it out. Playtest the game with their peers and gather feedback on its mechanics, rules, and overall enjoyment. Step 7. Produce and present. After refining the game based on feedback, students can create the final version of their math game. This may involve creating game cards, constructing a game board, or preparing any other necessary components. Don't forget to share the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.